Hi guys! Welcome back to a new video. Today I have a friend here, and do you know in our previous video we had a Nerf video? Today again we have double gun and more bullets.
Yes.
So today
we're gonna unbox this
let's unbox
gun.
it. Unbox this first
Yeah.
part. Cut
Yeah. Cut the. Yes, that. Cut the tape. And we are.
We got two guns. One is big and one is small. So we're so happy we got all these guns and these things. So this is how to load it. Just take one bullet, and if one place is finished, just spin it and keep it in like this. Spin it like this.
You spin it with your hands.
Yeah, just spin it with our hands. And we have two more bullets left. Okay, put it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There's 6 bullets we can keep in this rotating thing, and there's a place on the top we can keep bullets, right?
Yeah,
Just extra.
like this, and we also have places to keep like this.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was talking about.
To stand the bullets like that. Now let's shoot. Looks awesome, right?
Wow,
Awesome.
so powerful. I heard a sound like ding.
That means it blasts up.
It just, it's so powerful.
Yeah. So come let's go. Wow.
It just bounced
So
too
awesome.
quickly back.
So awesome, right? Because very fast.
It goes in faster than Sonic. Sonic the Hedgehog. This is a big gun, and I have dino shoot and electric. And let's check out this bad boy. I'll just load it. This. And let's see how powerful this thing is. Whoa! Just give me one bullet, please.
Take all these bullets.
I don't need all of them. I'll just shoot once more. 2 times, I'll just shoot it.
Oh my
That
god.
made it.
Scared me.
I thought like this.
So also this thing is
A chainsaw.
Chainsaw. Just do like this.
Like if
The
you
bullet
run out
is-
of bullets, you can just use that.
Like this.
But don't forget to subscribe. The red.
Yay! This.
I'll just load mine. And then 3, 2, 1. I don't.
I hope
hope
you
you like
guys enjoy this video. So like,
And
share, and
share.
subscribe. And don't forget to
Ring the bell.